when you're a soldier, you have to know how to go down by your belly. No weapon that form against this church shall be able to prosper. For he that dwelleth, for he that dwelleth in the secret, he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide, shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. Boom, 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 boom. For the weapons of the Christian warfare are not carnal.